Hola, amigos. Welcome back to our kitchen. Today, we have a mouth-watering recipe for you: chuletas de puerco, or pork chops. Get ready to treat your taste buds to a burst of flavors. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our delicious recipes. Let's get started. Let's take a look at the ingredients you'll need for our chuletas de puerco recipe. Pork chops, olive oil, garlic, minced, paprika, cumin, oregano, salt, black pepper, orange juice, chicken broth, white wine, fresh cilantro, chopped. First, let's marinate our pork chops. In a bowl, combine olive oil, minced garlic, paprika, cumin, oregano, salt, and black pepper. Mix it well to create a flavorful marinade. Once your marinade is ready, generously coat each pork chop. Make sure they're well covered for that perfect flavor infusion. Set them aside to marinate for at least 30 minutes. Now that our pork chops are marinated, it's time to sear them to perfection. Heat a pan over medium-high heat and add a bit of olive oil. Sear each chop for about 3–4 minutes on each side, or until they develop a beautiful golden brown crust. This step locks in the juices, ensuring a moist and delicious result. While our pork chops are sizzling away, let's prepare the mouth-watering sauce. In the same pan, add orange juice, chicken broth, and a splash of white wine. Bring it to a gentle simmer. This combination of flavors is the secret to a tantalizing sauce that perfectly complements our pork chops. Let it simmer for about 5 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld. Our pork chops are almost ready. Return the seared chops to the pan, spooning the delicious sauce over each one. Cook for an additional 5–7 minutes until the pork chops are fully cooked. And there you have it, our chuletas de puerco are ready to be enjoyed. Garnish with fresh cilantro for that final touch of freshness. Thanks for joining us in the kitchen today. If you loved this recipe, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to leave your comments below, and let us know what you'd like to see next. Until then, buen provecho. See you in the next video.